Welcome to Birmingham shopping. I'm Adrian, and today we're getting our car fixed at GTC Tyre Centre. Thursday morning, I've just got up, gone to my car, and I've got a flat tyre. So we've come down here to GTC to get the tyre fixed. So what we having done now?
Having the rim cleaned here at the minute.
Cleaning the rim up?
Yeah.
So the reason I've got a puncher is because the rim's damaged?
Yeah, the rim's not been cleaned and the tyre's been changed.
Oh, okay. So the people who did it last then?
Didn't do the rim. Did not clean the rim at all. As you can see around here, look.
So what happened? They did what?
Didn't clean the rim at all. As you can see all this dirt on here. Wow. That's what's leaking.
Okay. That's why the air is losing air?
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll have that done in a second then. Another tyre being fitted here as well. What's that going on there now?
It's the two-left to seal around the tyre and the alloy stop it leaking again.
Oh yeah. See, that's the first time I've ever had that done on a tyre before.
It's supposed to be done every time.
It's what?
It's supposed to be done every time.
Is it?
Yeah, I do it everywhere I touch.
So every time you do a replacement tyre, you put that on?
Yeah, you're supposed to put this on every time.
I've never seen it before. Never. I've had a lot of tyres. I've never seen this done before.
Yeah.
So this is a punchy repair you're doing now?
Yeah.
Wow. How big is that now?
See them there?
That's how small it is. Yeah, that made me jump. Oh, and again. What's it do that for?
Push it back round the alloy. Get it back up over the steel.
So how much pressure goes in this now?
About 35.
35.
Yeah. You don't want it too much. You'll be able to lay the tyre down and stuff like that.
What's that machine doing?
Balancing wheel.
Balancing the wheel?
Yeah.
Oh, that's to stop it from shaking the steering wheel.
Yeah, that's what it's made.
Tyre going on now. Soon we're back on the road.